Everybody, in this video I will be showing you how to transfer the USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper wallet. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go and select the USDT, and in the USDT go and select the receive button. So once you go to the receive button, all you have to do is to copy this address. So just tap on copy it, and let's go to the Binance application. Wait till the application boots up completely. So now here you can see that the application is booted up. All you have to do is go to the wallet option on the bottom right corner, and in the wallet option just go and deposit the sorry all you have to do is to go to the USDT. In the USDT, all you have to do is to deposit it. So once you go and deposit it, you will see there are multiple. So once you are in the USDT, all you have to do is to tap on withdraw option and send via crypto network. So once you do it, all you have to do is to tap here and paste the address and select tone as the network. Here the minimum amount is 10. All you have to do is to type 10 in it and go to the withdraw option. Once you do it, you will see that there is no memo that I've written because we are transferring USDT from the Binance application to the Tonkeeper application, and there is no memo for it. So just leave the space blank, and once you go again on the withdraw option, just go with the submit, and here you will just need to confirm it. So once you do it, all you have to do is to verify your identity using 2FA method. So once you do it, your USDT will be transferred. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video.